In this video, I am going to show you how to see your old stories on Facebook. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. Now on your Facebook application, you have to tap on the profile icon which is present at the top left side of your screen. Now on the profile, you have to tap on the three dots which are present right besides edit profile. Now over here, you have to tap on activity log. In activity log, there are actually two ways through which you can see your old stories on Facebook. So the first way is to tap on archive, which is present at the top left side of your screen. Now on archive, you have to tap on story archive. So from here, you will be able to see your old stories on Facebook. Now the other method to view your old stories on Facebook is to go back to the activity log, then swipe to the right side on this blue menu and you will see the story activity. Now on story activity, you have to again tap on archive, then again tap on story archive. So now you will be able to easily see your old stories on Facebook. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.